In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Charles Schwab to reinvest dividends. This is an incredibly valuable tool for maximizing your investment returns without lifting a finger. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be set up to automatically reinvest your dividends, letting your money grow consistently over time. Let's begin by logging into your account at schwab.com. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. It's essential to use a secure internet connection to protect your financial information. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage. From here, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll see the option labeled Accounts. Click on that. This step is crucial because it leads you to the section where all your investments are managed. Now that you're in the Accounts section, you'll want to select Positions. This is where you can see all your current holdings. It's like having an overview of your investment portfolio right at your fingertips. From here, scroll through your list of stocks or ETFs. Find the one that you want to set up for dividend reinvestment. You might notice a column labeled Reinvest. This is where the magic happens. Look at the row corresponding to your chosen security. Click on Yes in the Reinvest column next to that security. This action tells Schwab that you want all future dividends from this stock or ETF to be automatically reinvested. After clicking Yes, you'll need to confirm or update your decision. This ensures that your preferences are saved. You should see a confirmation appear on the screen. From now on, dividends from that holding will be automatically used to purchase more shares. This includes fractional shares when available, which is a great benefit. Fractional shares mean that even small dividends can be reinvested effectively. There's no extra commission fee for reinvesting dividends, which is another cost-saving advantage. After you enable dividend reinvestment, every time a dividend is paid, it's used to buy more shares of the same security. This means you're consistently adding to your investment. Each reinvestment will appear as a new tax lot. This is important because it affects how you'll calculate your taxes when you sell those shares. Keep this in mind for tax planning purposes. It's important to note that dividend reinvestment only works for eligible stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. You won't be able to reinvest dividends for securities that aren't eligible. Also, remember that even if dividends are reinvested, you'll still owe taxes on them in taxable accounts. This is a key point not to overlook. For managing these settings, it's usually easiest to use the desktop website. The mobile app or thinkorswim platform might not offer the same ease of use for these specific settings. Using the desktop site ensures that you have full access to all features and settings. With that ready, you are now set up to make the most of your dividends through automatic reinvestment, allowing your investments to grow seamlessly over time. This method is a powerful way to enhance your portfolio's performance without any additional effort. Thank you for watching and happy investing.